Friends, welcome to Information SD. After India had banned 59 Chinese apps, Google also bans 25 apps for stealing Facebook login details. So delete them immediately. Around 25 Android apps were removed from Google Play Store after cybersecurity firm Avina alerted Google that these apps were stealing Facebook login details of users. The apps come with a malware which kept a record of your Facebook login details when you use them on your phone. These 25 apps had a total of over 2 million downloads and mostly offer services like file managers, flashlight, wallpaper management, screenshot editor, and weather. It's a very security concern for all of us. So if you have used these apps, be careful. Now let us see which are these 25 apps that Google banned. The first one is Super Wallpaper Flashlight with 5 lakhs downloads. Second one is Padenatef with over 5 lakhs downloads. Third one is Wallpaper Level with over 1 lakh downloads. Next one is Counter Level Wallpaper with over 1 lakh downloads. Next is iPlayer and iWallpaper, more than 1 lakh downloads. Number 6 is Video Maker, over 1 lakh download. Number 7 is Color Wallpapers. Number 8 is Pedometer, more than 1 lakh download. Number 8 is Powerful Flashlight. Next 10 is same Super Bright Flashlight. Number 11 is Super Power Flashlight. Number 12 is Solitare Games. I think most of you have played these games. Number 13 is Accurate Scanning of QR Code. Once I have also used these apps. And next is Classic Card Games. Be careful, most of us play these games. Number 15 is Junk Files Cleaner. Number 16 is Synthetic Z. Number 17 is popular one, File Manager. Number 18 is Composite Z. Number 19 is Screenshot Capture. You might have used these apps. Number 20 is popular one, Daily Horoscope Wallpaper. Number 21, Wuxia Reader. If you have read anything using this app, be careful. Next is Plus Weather, 22 number. It's a very popular anime life wallpaper for the young generations. Number 24, I Held Street Counter. Number 25 is last but not the least is com.tqyapp.fiction. So these were the apps that Google banned. You cannot download from Google Play Store now due to security concern. So it's a very good information, so I thought to share with you. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I regularly make videos on different topics. To get updated, please subscribe my channel if you have not yet subscribed it. So that's all in this video. I hope you like it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.